EMW Designs is my YouTube channel. Alright, we'll take a detour. Yeah, as you could see, you know, if I don't finish the challenge, you know, it's okay. I mean, it's just to, it's just really to, it was just really to put things into perspective, like how much 2,000 people are, 2,000 subscribers are. All right, let's see. What should we take a look at first? This looks cool. Oh, wow. Wow. This is some great work, man. Very nice. I want some candy. I want it. Here, let me take a look at that again. Yeah, guys, check it out. EMW Designs. This is a great motion study. Awesome work here. Clip through there a little bit, but that's fine. Sometimes turning on precise contact and options will prevent that. But man, you've really outdone yourself. This is super cool. I'll take a look at one more here. Let me take my this one. All right. This is your dream project. Yeah, I'm gonna skip ahead if you don't mind. That is possible in SolidWorks Motion Study? Absolutely. I think the requirement, if you have SolidWorks Premium, it comes with Motion Study. And it's able to compute contact between components with each other. And you can get a lot of crazy stuff to happen. Man, you're a great animator. How long have you been doing this for, EMW? This is great. This is great. This was... Oh, for the project of the year. Yeah, this is awesome. Oh, did you actually build it? Hang on. Yeah, this is this is intense. This is awesome. This is so cool. You could also make this into like a like a crane game of sorts. No, but just when you have like CNC controls and linear shaft and like that, so much stuff is, you can do so much with that. You know, like 3D printing. What's going on right now in the background? Yeah, this is like a substantial amount of effort. Did you do this over a course of a semester? Yeah, and what do you do? I see that you've modeled the electrical components. That's what I'm gonna try and do. That's what I'm gonna try and do with the PlayStation 2 to get to my feature count. Although at this point I don't know if I'll get to it, since I'm just watching what you guys do. But I'd rather do this than try as hard as I can on the challenge, because this giveaway and this video is a celebration of you guys, and at the end of the day, the celebration of the community that we've built together. So I think this is the most appropriate way to spend our time, in my opinion. Yeah. Gursman says, I guess people in India deserve more recognition looking at the talent. Oh, absolutely. lot of talented people over in India. Yeah, lots of great stuff. Wow. And you fully built and prototyped this too. Yeah, this is outstanding work. Yeah, but someone also asked about here, I want to show you guys something about, can SolidWorks Motion really do that? Yeah, I mean that's what I've been doing a lot on my Instagram, which by the way, you know, if you follow me on Instagram, super thank you, because look, we have 30,000 followers over there. So I need to do something really, really, really special. The thing is, the numbers keep going by so fast that I can't react to them. You know, I might do another giveaway on there, on my Instagram. I think I'm going to have to, because, you know, this is nuts. Oh, it actually shows you the exact number on desktop. Who knew? Yeah, 30,207. Wow. But yeah, like with SolidWorks Motion, you can do stuff like this. So this is it's actually computing the contacts between each gear, which is actually easier to animate than manually saying like, oh, when these teeth are in mesh, it needs to spin this, but then when it meshes with these teeth, then it needs to go faster. It's yeah, motion study is a lot simpler, but sometimes you gotta wait for it depending on the complexity. My work of a year. Oh, I could tell. That's amazing stuff. Design, redesign, design, simulation, survey, etc. That's engineering for you. You know, I don't think it wouldn't be called engineering if you just built it and it just worked. You know, that's just building, right? Engineering is not only building, it's the designing. You build it. Does it work? Sure, I guess, but could it work better? Yeah. All right, let's try something else. And it's the reiteration. And that's why these skills are important in SolidWorks. It's like, you know, if you were here for the first part of the stream, I blew up my SolidWorks part a little bit when I had to change, but I knew exactly what went wrong and how to fix it. Thanks a lot for showing this live. Like I said, this is this whole stream is a celebration of you guys. So if anyone else in the chat wants to show off some of their work and, you know, want me to take a look at it, you know, I'm more than happy to.